5. Our telephone number. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Flagler Beach to Volusia-Brevard County, line 0 to 20 nautical miles, Volusia-Brevard County, line to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 14 nautical miles northeast of Claylinda Beach, moving south at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. The forecast for the Melbourne area.
Oh.